1. Forum posting. One of the easiest ways you can make money online, if you have a talent for talking, is by posting on forums. Many website owners hire people to post on their forums so that they look busier and more popular. By doing this, they hope to attract more long-term visitors. Another problem for most busy website owners is that updating and participating in their own forums is very time-consuming and prohibits them from working on other projects. That's where you can help. You can get paid to participate in the forums on their behalf. When you're posting in forums, all you would have to do is start new threads, or respond to existing comments and questions and to keep conversations going. You can do this by posting interesting thoughts, tips, articles, news and thought-provoking conversation. One of the perks of this job is that you get to learn a lot of new things. Also, if you can post in forums that you're already interested in, you'll basically get paid for doing something you enjoy. In order to make money as a forum poster, here are some steps you can take. There are numerous websites that you can sign up to that offer paid forum posting jobs. All you have to do is create an account and they will give you a list of forums that you can participate in. As soon as you have reached a certain number of posts, determined by them, you'll get paid. Here are some of the best sites you can sign up with. Paid forum posting. This website specializes in creating content for websites and offers forum posting jobs for members worldwide. You must be 18 plus to apply. Experience is recommended, but not necessary. However, you must be able to write and speak English fluently and have reasonably good grammar, spelling and punctuation. Postloop. Postloop is another popular forum posting site. You can earn money for posting on forums and blogs here. To get accepted, you will need to submit 5 sample posts. One benefit of this site is that you can get paid daily. You only need to reach $5, equivalent to 100 points, to get paid via PayPal. Open to people worldwide. Professional forum posters. This site is another great place to make money posting on forums. The pay is around 25 cents a post. Forums first. Similar to Postloop, you have to submit 5 sample posts before you are accepted as a writer. If you choose to do forum posting, the owner may let you have a signature link, which is basically free ad space below all of your forum posts. You can use this to send traffic to your own websites. Browse through freelancing sites such as freelancer.com, guru.com, upwork.com, etc. Apply for the forum posting jobs on those sites. Respond back to the buyer on time if you are called for an interview. Agree on the paper post and the deadline. Get the job done within the accepted deadline. Browse job websites such as Indeed, Simply Hired and Monster Jobs for forum posting jobs. How much can I make out of forum posting? For each forum post you make, the general prices range anywhere from $0, $10 to $0. $50 per post. If you have time to devote to this during the day and are able to make between 200 to 500 posts, depending on how much your job is worth, then you can earn $100 a day. If you like our video, please like, comment, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for regular videos update notification first to you from US. Also, we have gathered various Make Money Online resources for you. Please check the description of this videos for Make Money Online companies.